So the next stop on our virtual Cook at Home Garlic Fest is here at Stoke, where Chef Abe Lopez has something really special to show you how to cook at home. Let's go in and find the chef. So our next stop on our Cook at Home virtual Garlic Fest is here at Stoke, and we are here with award-winning Chef Abe Lopez. He's going to show you how to make yet another amazing garlic dish at home, so that instead of missing out on Garlic Fest, you're at home with the best chefs cooking the best food. So Abe, show us what you got.
Alrighty. So today we're going to do a roasted garlic ricotta cheese ravioli, and it's going to be served in a garlic broth. So I started the garlic broth earlier this morning. That consists of 3 quarts of water, a head of garlic, and I boil it for about an hour, so you get the nice flavor of the garlic. And here we have 1 cup of ricotta cheese that I mix a little nutmeg into it just for a little extra flavor. We have a beautiful roasted garlic puree that I roasted whole heads of garlic in the oven for about 45 minutes, and then I put it in the blender and make a nice smooth puree. We like the garlic, so I'm going to go full amount there. A little Parmesan cheese, a little salt and pepper, and we'll just mix that up. You have that beautiful roasted garlic color. All right, that's done. Then what we do is, I'm going to take off my gloves. I just sanitize them to work with the wonton wrappers. And we have 4 to an order.
Now where am I going to be able to find these wrappers?
These I got at Wegmans or Giant.
Okay.
Yes.
So readily available.
Yes, readily available. And then what you do is you paint half a moon so they stick. And then when I do it, take about a teaspoon. You don't want to fill it too much, the rest are not going to close properly. And then what we do is just close them in half. Pinch them really nice and tight. And if you paint the whole thing with egg, they won't stick, so you only have to do half. Pinch them. Okay. Ready? And then what I like to do is to make them into, instead of half moons, paint another corner, and you give them a little twist, and you have the beautiful little tortellini.
Look at that. Great pro tip.
Yeah. And then what we do next is we have boiling water, and you throw them in there for about a minute. The water has to be salted. And a good tip also is if they float to the top, you know they're done as well. So we're going to wait a couple of minutes. In the meantime, we're going to pour the garlic broth into our plate.
Broth smells amazing.
Very garlicky.
Beautiful wafting garlic through the air.
Pour that water. Pop them in the broth. And then what I like to do is finish with a little fresh basil. With another layer of flavor. Some grated parsley. And some shaved parsley. 2 different flavors.
Okay. So the trick seems to be have your prep ready because this is fresh food and it's going to cook fast.
Yes. The more you prepare ahead, the service is a lot easier. Definitely something you can prepare ahead. If you prepare these ahead of time before dinner, you put them in the refrigerator. They last 24 hours. After 24 hours, they start getting gummy, so you don't want to do them more than 24 hours. But this puree stays for at least 2-3 days, and you can have 3 days in a row. Like,
I probably would like it. Okay.
We have some utensils here for you. Might be hot, so be careful.
Okay. So excited. It would just be so sad to miss out on garlic completely this fall. So we
Yes,
really
it would.
appreciate you showing us how to bring it into our house and enjoy it. I'm gonna hear some egg that I've never eaten before. Oh. Wow. You get the garlic from the broth first, and then it follows with this creamy garlic from the
Right. That's the idea. You get 2 levels of garlic.
Sure
The
do.
broth and then the roasted garlic flavor. So 2 layers of garlic there.
That could not be more delicious. That is so wonderful.
Awesome.
Thank
So
you
happy
so
you
much
enjoyed
for
it.
taking your time to give everybody some garlic tips. I hope you all got a hold of the shopping list and had your ingredients and were cooking along with Chef Lopez. And if you don't feel like making it yourself, this will be
We
available.
run these once in a while as a special. You call ahead. I can make them ahead for you if you like. That's not a problem. We have all these ingredients on hand at all times.
Okay, and Garlic Fest weekend, we should expect a lot of garlicky food here in Stoke.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now that it's not a constant ingredient here anyway.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.